Okay, we're going to the slag pit. The slag flowed through a trough into the pit, similar to lava from a volcano. The fairy molten slag, which is the waste product of the iron making process, was flushed from the furnace every 2 to 4 hours. It's handled in one of two ways. Usually it was allowed to run directly into the slag pit, or it was run into the slag granulator, sprayed with cool water to cool it, and then crushed. While it was the trash or byproduct of the furnace, it was still useful. Slag could be used to make drywall, insulation, concrete. Sloss slag pits also affected First Avenue North, which runs right next to the Sloss furnace. In the 1920s, molten slag from the furnace would overflow into the road, disrupt traffic. The road was then raised to keep this from happening. The road also has large shoulders so that people could park safely to the side and watch the iron slag being poured from the furnace. Okay. Yeah. I guess that's used to be the road they saw about they raised it. Oh, that's a stumble. So let me get down here to the slag pit and I'll take pictures for you. Okay, I ain't going back up the slag. That's the one I showed you before we went down to the pond. Okay. And this concludes our tour. Let me go water tower. Okay. Whew. I don't know if I got this or not. There you go. Can you imagine the men that worked here? The kind of labor. I mean, it's worth it, it's free. I guess I'm gonna head out here. See y'all in a bit.